Welcome back. Now that we understand the Unity Catalog architecture, let us explore its core features and why it has become the foundation of data and AI governance in Databricks. Unity Catalog provides five major capabilities that help organization secure, govern, discover, and trust their data assets. The first and foremost, the centralized access control. Before Unity Catalog, the permission had to be managed separately in different workspaces. We have seen this while we were discussing the Unity Catalog architecture. With the advent of Unity Catalog, the organization can define permissions once and enforce them consistently across all workspaces and users. We have the finance team, we have data engineers team, we have data science team. What we understand, we can enforce the governance once and for all. Then we can assign those across all workspaces and users. Now, if I want to grant access to finance team, we can simply use s grant select on table sales dot transaction to finance team. This ensures that only authorized users can access the data. What's the key concept here? The key concept is one governance model, role based access control, RBAC, centralized permission management, and least privilege principle. Okay. So, as an example, we see the finance team can query the transaction table while other teams cannot. Okay. So, first and foremost, it was nothing but the centralized access control. Centralized access control. Let's move on. Let's see what is the next core feature of Unity Catalog. This is nothing but the fine grained security. Let's have a close look at the fine grained security. It is securing data with granular controls at every level. In the architecture, we have seen the highest level is catalog. It is a domain level. Here in our case, we have example finance. Then we have schema within the catalog. It could be sales, it could be HR, it could be marketing. Below that, we have table. Could be employee payroll. It's the payment, procurement. It could be many tables under the schema. Then we can also have custom level tables like salary columns, like which is hidden from others, right? Then we have row level. Maybe we should filter data at row level, maybe at a region level, manager level, we can go. So different granularity. Okay. So what is that? This fine-grained granularity allows security controls at multiple levels. Starting from the top, permissions can be applied at catalog level, schema level, table level, column level, row level. This gives organizations very precise control over sensitive information. For example, imagine an employee payroll table. The HR team may be allowed to see salary information for all employees. However, managers may only be allowed to see employees that report directly to them. Similarly, okay, sensitive columns such as salary, national ID, or credit card information can be hidden from unauthorized users. You know, this balance between security and accessibility is one of the Unity Catalog's biggest strength. I hope you understand what is meant by fine-grained security. This is so much important for organizations. Now we cannot expose all the data to everyone. We need to bring control. We need to bring control at different levels, at a domain level, schema level, table level, column level, or row level. Unity Catalog has the capability to manage security at various levels. Okay, that's the biggest strength of Unity Catalog. Let's move on. What is the third one? The third one is data lineage. I'm not sure you are quite comfortable with the data lineage. What is the data lineage? So lineage automatically track how data flows through the analytics lifecycle. It is tracking data flow end to end across the analytics lifecycle. For example, we have the raw data coming from the source system. Then we have the enrichment, cleansing, standardization, all happening at a silver level. Then we have business level data, which is gold level. Okay, so we have silver, bronze, and gold, and we have consumption layer like Power BI dashboard, Tableau dashboard, SAS dashboard, where we are having the business insight. Okay, so what is lineage? Lineage With lineage, we can answer important questions such as where did the data originate? Which reports use this data set? What downstream systems will be impacted if I change a column? What transformation occurred before data reached the dashboard? The lineage improves trust, simplifies troubleshooting, and helps organization understand the impact of changes before they happen. Okay, so what are the questions? Where did the data come from? Which report uses this data set? What will break if I change the column? What the impact of changes across downstream assets? Okay, that means the lineage builds trust, ensures data quality, and reduces impact of changes. Correct? So that is about the data lineage. So we have seen centralized access control, fine-grained security, and data lineage. So what is the fourth one? The fourth core uh, characteristics of Unity Catalog is auditing. I'm sure you have some idea about auditing. Let's look into auditing. It is about tracking and monitoring all data and administrative activities. The fourth capability is auditing. Audit logs captures all important activities across the platform. For example, who accessed the customer table, who modified the data, who granted permission, who revoked the permission. Administrators and compliance team can track data access and governance activities from a single location. This helps organizations meet regulatory and compliance requirement while maintaining complete visibility into data usage across platform. In short, auditing answers the question who accessed customer table, when was the data modified, who changed the permission, who created, dropped, and altered objects, and supports compliance and regulatory requirements. So this is a complete visibility into the data access and governance activities. And in short, the auditing answers the question who did what, when, and on which data set. The Unity Catalog contribute to the auditing. Okay, so final, the fifth capability is data discovery. Find, understand, and trust the right data. As organizations grow, finding the right data becomes increasingly difficult. You know, Unity Catalog solves this through Catalog Explorer. Catalog Explorer. Users can search for tables, views, columns, dataset. They can also see the dataset description, ownership information, business metadata, data lineage, last refresh information. Instead of asking multiple teams where data exists, users can discover trusted dataset themselves. This promotes data reuse, improves productivity, and increases confidence in the enterprise data assets. To summarize, there are five core features of Unity Catalog. They are centralized access control, fine-grained security, data lineage, auditing, and data discovery. Together, these five capabilities make Unity Catalog much more than metadata catalog. It becomes a complete governance platform that helps organizations securely manage, understand, and trust their data and AI assets at scale. I hope now we got the core features of Unity Catalog. Thank you.